My first inspiration was a poem written by Jose Rizal in 1974. It is a believed Rizal wrote the poem for his childhood sweetheart named Leonor Rivera. Today, Rizal is considered a national hero of the Philippines and one of the greatest writer and poet. The young Rizal wrote his first poem, my first inspiration, which is the young Rizal wrote to honor his mother on her birthday. The former showed his internal love and appreciation to her mother as the tribute to all his effort.